All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to buy Bitcoin with Cash App. But first, let's start with the verse of the day in Matthew 20:28. For even the Son of Man came not to be served, but to serve others and to give his life as a ransom for many. So, guys, you need to remember this. Jesus came on the earth, he humbled himself, and he died on the cross for us. He didn't even need to do that. He did that to forgive our sins and be able to give us the opportunity to make it to heaven. Remember that, guys. Bring others to him, and life's not all about you. All right, so Cash App is a really easy way to buy Bitcoin. You can send people money through Cash App. It's really easy to do as well. But this is more so a video on how to buy Bitcoin with Cash App. So if you go to the account, you can hit link accounts. You can add your debit card. You can link a bank, link a credit card, any way you want. And this is actually its own bank. So for people who don't have a bank or want to get a bank, you can actually get deposits like this routing number and account number. You can actually send that to people and they can deposit you money that way as well. So this shows like your history of recent payments you've received or different payments you've gotten. So you can go to this section where it looks like a line graph or a line chart. And you can actually buy stocks too. But we're just going to show you how to buy Bitcoin. So you just hit the Bitcoin tab, hit buy, and $10 or whatever amount you want, hit next, and you literally just put your thumbprint ID in. You can also do recurring purchases. That way, if people want a dollar cost in. That's all. That's the easiest way to buy Bitcoin with Cash App, in my opinion. And it'll show your balance of Bitcoin right here, where it says 00. I don't have any in here. And you can send Bitcoin from this wallet, or you can deposit more Bitcoin here. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. And if you guys like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button to get daily updates of when we make cryptocurrency videos. And again, thanks for watching.